All right, let's move on to IELTS Speaking Part 2. And your topic is describe a person you know who has chosen a career in the medical field. Please, you can start.
So she is Sara. Sara, one of my dearest childhood friend, has chosen to pursue a career in medicine as a doctor, primarily focusing on diabetic patients. From young age, she was always passionate about becoming a doctor and serving others. Having known for over 2 decades, I can confidently say that she has always had a heart of gold, constantly eager to assist those in need. Becoming a health professional was her lifelong dream, and not only did she achieved it, but also fulfills her vision of providing care to people without any cost, free of charge. Sarah completed her MBBS from one of most prestigious government medical colleges in Lahore, which had one of the highest merit requirement at that time, around 97% as far as I can recall. If Despite the fierce competition, she earned a scholarship due to her exceptional academic performance. Sarah was always a high achiever, but more than that, she was a tireless worker, burning a midnight oil to achieve her goals. Every time I see her in action, I feel a great sense of pride and honor. She's not only fulfilling her
All
professional.
right, thank you so much. You have spoken on the topic for 1 minute and 40 seconds. Overall, it's good, but it sounds like you're delivering a speech or something like that. So try to adopt a style that is natural conversational style. Then we had some mistakes in pronunciation. The word is primarily. You pronounced it differently. Then the word is cost, C O S T, cost, but you pronounced it as coast. Then there is the word academic. You said academic. So it should be academic. So such type of mistakes which are mainly related to pronunciation, these mistakes occur and your overall style should be speaking style. It will be better, right? Thank you so much.